guys, it's Anna, and today I want to show you how to change an equation of a line from standard form into slope-intercept form. This is really easy. This is something you might be asked to commonly do. It's fantastic for strengthening your algebra skills, and it also will help you practice isolating a variable, practicing getting a variable by itself. So this is standard form. We have ax plus by equals c. This is standard form. So let's kind of start with a review of the different forms. So we have standard form. So ax plus by equals c, and a, b, and c can be any number, so we just have the a, something x plus something y equals c. And then we're going to have slope-intercept form. So and that's going to be y equals mx plus b. So you can see we've got a little ways to go between our standard form and our slope-intercept form. In order to write a line in slope-intercept form, we need to have y all by itself. Nothing can be attached to y, nothing can be added or subtracted or multiplied by y. So I always like to add or subtract things over first and then multiply or divide things that I need to. So let's take a look at this example right here. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 12. So let's see what we would need to do to this equation. So right now, what's happening to y? It's being multiplied by 3 and the 2x is being added to it. So remember, we want to start by adding or subtracting over stuff, right? So what can we add or subtract, move over, so that y is more alone than it is now? So let's start by subtracting the 2x from both sides. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. 2x minus 2x is 0. Now we have 3y equals negative 2x, we can just write the negative 2x, and this is a positive 12, so we can write plus 12. Okay, we're getting closer, right? We're getting a lot closer. We want to make sure we can get that y all by itself. So what's happening to y right now? It's being multiplied by 3. Let's go ahead and divide everything by 3, right? So we're going to come out with 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1y equals negative 2x divided by 3. We actually can't simplify that anymore. So negative 2x divided by 3 plus 12 over 3. What is 12 divided by 3? How many times does 3 go into 12? 3 goes into 12 4 times, so it's going to be plus 4. So we can see that we have it beautifully in slope-intercept form. We have y equals something, so negative 2/3, which is m, which is our slope, x plus 4. So if they were to ask you on the test, what is the y-intercept of this line? The y-intercept is 4 because the y-intercept is the b term. What is the slope? The slope is negative 2/3 because the m term, what's attached to the x in slope-intercept form, that's always the slope. So slope is negative 2/3, the y-intercept is 4. You'd be ready to go right ahead and graph this, right? So on your x and y axis, you put a dot right at 4 on the y axis, and then you do rise over run to graph it. You'd rise negative 2, so go down 2, and then you'd run positive 3 and go 1, 2, 3, put your next dot. Rise negative 2, run 3, put your next dot. And you could graph the line straight from there. So if you get an equation in standard form, don't worry, you can use some simple algebra to put it in slope-intercept form. If this video was a little bit tricky, you didn't quite understand it, please go back and watch my video, which I'll link here, on how to find the slope of a line, and also on how to solve for x, how to isolate a variable. In no time, you're going to be a pro at this. I'll see you next time.